Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour today on a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest.
Alright guys, we're up on the boat now. This boat's equipped with 3 Mercury Verado 350 horsepower white motors with joystick piloting. Let's take a look inside here as we walk through the transom. Down here on the bottom we got a freshwater shower, hot and cold water. And look at all this space on the cockpit deck back here. We got the additional port side flip down lounge seat, table that goes in the floor right there, and the pedestal. Great boat. We got this summer kitchen area there to the left that you see. And coming back over to that cooktop summer kitchen area, we got a cutting board here. Open it up, and we have an electric grill. We're moving in now to the helm area. You got plenty of seating here, air conditioning right at your passengers. Look at this enclosure, all glass, open sides, nice sun protection with this large oversized fiberglass hardtop opening vent right there in the center. This one's equipped with a single 12-inch screen. There's plenty of room to add another. Again, taking a look at the dash, the joystick docking, again, more air conditioning on this side. A really great layout on this boat, really functional and friendly to use. Coming down into the cabin, see we got a full island queen bed with steps on each side, so each side can get up into their bed. Those are on scissors, they open up, and then a table actuates up and turns into a dining V-berth area. Again, look at this nice countertop, another 12-volt refrigerator down here, microwave, nice cabinets. All in all, really great boat. Look at this light flooring that's new for this model year. And in the back, double bed or couch. And then starboard side couch that folds out to a sleeper bed as well. Flat screen television. And then going into the back, we have a really nice full stand-up head, shower, vacuum flush toilet, vessel bowl, sink.
Hey, thanks for watching and taking this tour with me on a 2019 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. It's Justin Costello. I'm here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070. Give me a call if you have any questions or want to make an appointment to get aboard.